In this video, I'll show you how to create Notion account. This video is only for educational purposes only. So I'm going to open up my Notion. So you need to tap on the first option, continue with Google. So I'm going to use my test tutorial email for this. That is the first test tutorial email. So I'm going to tap on it, first option. So I'm going to tap on continue. So I'm going to tap on don't allow. So our Notion account is currently being created. So you're going to get this option. So what you need to tap on for work. If you want to bring in your team to Notion, you can copy the link, but you can just tap on next. Tap on next. Tap on next. Tap on next. Get started. So this is it. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe.